Hey you guys, welcome to Chopbusters. Today we will show you some amazing tools that will surely blow your mind. But before starting, we have a request. If you're new to our channel, then please subscribe. Press the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon, so you can get notifications from our upcoming videos. Let's begin. Oregon Cordless BR600 Sweeper. The BR600 can be used to clean any surface, from concrete to artificial grass. You'll be able to clean wide areas of debris with the 23-inch wide sweeper. Tough dirt and debris doesn't stand a chance against the BR600's durable 2.5-inch nylon bristles. The sweeper's durable gearbox delivers plenty of power to clean your driveway or sidewalk. Clean for 20 uninterrupted minutes with our standard 4.0 AH battery. The BR600 is also much quicker than using a broom or even a standard leaf blower. The BR600 allows you to easily make piles of debris that you can simply dispose of in debris container. The BR600 sweeper also connects to your multi-attachment system's powerhead within seconds. .505 Cordless Precision Engraver. The Cordless Precision Engraver enables precision cordless engraving from professional technicians and mechanics to homeowners and DIYers. Users can protect all types of valuables with identifying markings and perform delicate personalization of items. Engrave personalized tools, sporting goods, toys, phone chargers, jewelry, watches and glassware. This new and exciting tool enables precision cordless engraving anywhere by anyone, from professional technicians and mechanics to homeowners and do-it-yourselfers. Users can protect all types of valuables with identifying markings and even perform delicate personalization of items. Designed in-house by General Engineering team, patent pending, the Engraver powerful 20,000 RPM motor is powered by just 2 AAA batteries and enables engraving in glass, metal, ceramic and plastic. An aluminium body offers superior durability, and the one-of-a-kind tri-lobe ergonomic grip provides the ultimate in comfort and ease of use. Narva Master Ratchet Crimping Tool. A comprehensive crimping kit with premium lightweight allow ratchet tool and 6 of the most popular interchangeable heads to fulfill the requirements of the professional auto electrician, motor mechanic or tradesman. The lightweight of the tool ensures all-day user comfort and reduces fatigue and strain, often associated with similar heavier ratchet type tools. A smooth, heavy-duty ratchet action and quick release spring lever, and a guaranteed high-quality crimp every time. It is necessary at times to either make or repair a wiring harness. There is quite an array of electrical connectors available these days, and, like most technicians, I have a drawer of crimping tools to match, as having the right crimping tool is necessary to produce a quality electronical connection. Here at the Northern Sydney Institute, we tool tested the Narva Master Ratchet Crimping Kit. This kit covers crimping for insulated, non-insulated, cable lug, A&P Super Seal 1.5mm crimp, and weather pack terminals. The ratcheting pressure is easily adjusted and the tool is quite comfortable and lightweight to use. .8V Brushless Steel Rod Cutter DSC163, delivering a cordless and spark-free cutting solution for rebar and steel rod with the Makita 18V Brushless Steel Rod Cutter. The DSC-163 has a cutting capacity of up to 16mm rebar, with a cutting head that rotates a full 360 degrees. The hydraulic power head can make rapid cuts in 16mm steel rod in 2.8 seconds. It is an ideal solution for rapid cold cutting of steel rod. Cutting head rotates 360 degrees for different cutting positions, allowing the user to adjust the handle into the most comfortable position. Regardless of various cutting positions, 3 to 16mm cutting capacity. By adjusting the stopper, the rod cutter can comfortably cut steel bar or any size between 3mm and 60mm, of any size between 3mm and 60mm. Return valve is to allow the cutter rod to return to the starting position if it is unable to complete a cut or becomes jammed. Loosening the return valve will release the oil pressure and allow the cutter rod to return to the start position. When cutting rebar, adjust the stopper according to the diameter of the rebar to be cut, so that the rebar is at 90 degrees to the blades, ensuring smooth and efficient cutting. High Torque Lithium Series 2. The Lithium Series 2 electric torque tool is the next revolution in bolting technology, redesigned from the ground up with expanded functionality. Greater durability, and intuitive usability. This lightweight 36-volt battery-powered tool with capacity up to 5000 ft/lbs is the ultimate solution for strength and portability in industrial bolting jobs worldwide. This tool is compatible with conventional sockets. The Lithium Series 2 tool incorporates torque sense technology, which directly measures torque, providing more repeatable results. Now available in a 5000 ft/lbs configuration, expanding the operational capability of this tool. With all new features such as the sliding directional switch, snug function, user access levels, advanced bolting, and more, further extends the versatility of the tool. The nickel-plated all-aluminium housing greatly improves corrosion resistance and overall durability. The all-new 36V brushless motor has more than 5 times longer life than its predecessor. Gearboxes are redesigned for 20% greater strength and reliability. The integrated rear cover shock guard absorbs impact, protecting the display and buttons. Hall effect trigger and directional switches increases dependability. So, these were some amazing tools. Hope you liked them. If you do, please like the video. See you in the next episode. Till then, take care.